Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Zmortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now go to the Google search bar and then search for Zmortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Zmortgage. Now this is the broker mortgage login portal with which you can log into your Zmortgage account. Go ahead and write down your login ID, your password, and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Zmortgage account. If in case you have forgotten your login ID, click on this link, and if in case you have forgotten your password, click this link and then reset your password. So what you need to do is go ahead and log in to your ID. After you go and search Zmortgage login on Google, click on the first link which appears. Wait for a while as the login portal will load up, and you can write down your login ID, your password, and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Zmortgage account. This was a video on how you can log into your Zmortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.